Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Autumn, with its vibrant tapestry of reds, golds, and browns, brings more than just visual splendor. The season paints the landscape with a breathtaking array of colors, creating a picturesque scene that captivates the heart and soul. But beyond this visual feast, autumn offers something even more valuable for gardeners and nature enthusiasts alike. It gifts us with an abundance of fallen leaves, a treasure often overlooked. These leaves, which many consider a nuisance to be raked up and discarded, are actually a hidden gem. They hold the key to a natural process that can significantly benefit our gardens and the environment. But within these discarded leaves lies the potential for gardeners' gold leaf mold, a natural wonder that can transform your garden. Leaf mold is essentially decomposed leaves, and it is a powerful soil conditioner. When leaves break down, they create a dark, crumbly material that is rich in organic matter. Imagine enriching your soil with a free, nutrient-rich material that improves drainage, boosts fertility, and nurtures healthy plant growth. Leaf mold enhances the soil's ability to retain moisture, making it particularly beneficial during dry periods. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for plant roots to penetrate and access nutrients. That's the magic of leaf mold, and it's easier to make than you might think. All you need are some fallen leaves, a bit of patience, and a place to store them. Simply collect the leaves, moisten them, and let nature take its course. Over time, the leaves will break down into a rich, earthy material that your garden will love. Leaf mold is nature's own slow-release fertilizer, teeming with beneficial microorganisms that enhance soil structure and provide essential nutrients. These microorganisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients slowly over time, ensuring a steady supply for your plants. It acts like a sponge, holding on to moisture during dry spells and preventing waterlogging in heavier soils. This ability to regulate moisture levels makes leaf mold an invaluable addition to any garden, helping to create a more resilient and healthy growing environment. This simple, sustainable practice not only benefits your garden, but also reduces waste and promotes a healthier environment. By recycling fallen leaves into leaf mold, you are diverting organic matter from landfills and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. It's a win-win for both your garden and the planet. Join me as we delve into the art of fast and easy leaf composting, unlocking the secrets to creating this gardening gold right in your backyard. We'll explore the best methods for collecting and storing leaves, tips for speeding up the decomposition process, and how to use leaf mold to its fullest potential. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, leaf mold is a valuable tool that can help you achieve a thriving, sustainable garden. The first step in your leaf composting journey is gathering the raw materials. This is where the magic begins, transforming what many see as waste into a gardener's gold. As leaves begin their descent, embrace the opportunity to collect these golden treasures. Each leaf is a potential nutrient powerhouse, waiting to enrich your soil. Rake or blow them into piles, appreciating the crisp autumn air and the satisfying crunch beneath your feet. This process not only tidies up your yard, but also sets the stage for creating rich compost. Don't be too picky. A mix of different leaves provides a diverse range of nutrients. Each type of leaf contributes something unique to your compost pile. Oak leaves, with their high carbon content, break down slowly, creating a long-lasting mulch. This slow decomposition process helps in maintaining soil structure over time. Maple leaves decompose quicker, adding a quick boost of nutrients to the soil. Their rapid breakdown can jumpstart the composting process, providing immediate benefits. A blend of both offers a balanced approach. Combining slow decomposing oak leaves with fast decomposing maple leaves ensures a steady release of nutrients. Avoid using leaves from diseased plants, as they can spread infections. It's crucial to inspect your leaves carefully to ensure they are healthy and free from disease. Similarly, steer clear of black walnut leaves, as they contain a substance that can inhibit plant growth. This substance, called juglone, can be detrimental to many plants. Remember, this is nature's bounty, freely available for the taking. By gathering these leaves, you're not only cleaning up your yard, but also harnessing a valuable resource for your garden. Embrace the season and the abundance it brings, turning what was once seen as a chore into a rewarding activity. While whole leaves will eventually decompose, shredding them significantly speeds up the composting process. Smaller pieces provide a larger surface area for those beneficial microorganisms to work their magic. You can use a leaf shredder for efficiency, but a lawnmower works just as well. Simply run it over your leaf piles a few times, transforming them into manageable fragments. This step is crucial for faster composting, especially if you're short on time or space. Shredded leaves compact less, preventing the formation of soggy, airless clumps that hinder decomposition. Imagine those tiny leaf particles like bite-sized snacks for the microorganisms, readily available for consumption and breakdown. Now that you have a mountain of shredded leaves, it's time to create the perfect composting environment. You can choose from various methods, each with its advantages. A simple wire mesh bin allows for excellent air circulation, while a 3-bin system provides designated areas for different stages of decomposition. If space is limited, consider using black plastic bags. Punch a few holes for aeration and place them in a sunny spot to accelerate decomposition. Whichever method you choose, ensure adequate moisture. Water the leaves lightly as you build the pile, aiming for the dampness of a wrung-out sponge. A well-moistened pile encourages microbial activity without becoming waterlogged. Section 5. Nature's Little Helpers. Remember those beneficial microorganisms we mentioned earlier? They are the unsung heroes of composting, breaking down organic matter into valuable nutrients. Encourage their activity by adding nitrogen-rich materials to your leaf pile. Grass clippings, coffee grounds, and vegetable scraps provide a feast for these tiny decomposers, accelerating the composting process. Think of it as creating a balanced diet for your compost pile. Just like we need a mix of nutrients, so do those hard-working microorganisms. Avoid adding meat, bones, or dairy products to your compost, as they can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Stick to plant-based materials for a happy and healthy compost pile. Section 6. Time, the Alchemist of Decay. With your leaf pile assembled and nature's little helpers hard at work, it's time to let the magic of decomposition unfold. This process can take anywhere from a few months to a year, depending on factors like leaf type, shredding size, and weather conditions. Patience is key here, but there are ways to speed things up. Turning the pile every few weeks introduces oxygen, fueling microbial activity and preventing anaerobic decomposition, which can lead to unpleasant smells. Imagine it like fluffing up a pillow. A little aeration goes a long way in keeping things fresh and active within your compost pile. Section 7. Black Gold, Unearthing the Treasure. In this section, we delve into the final stage of composting, where patience and care reveal their true rewards. After months of patiently waiting and tending to your compost pile, you'll notice a remarkable transformation. What once was a heap of kitchen scraps, garden clippings, and fallen leaves has now become something extraordinary. The once vibrant leaves will have transformed into a dark, crumbly, earthy-smelling substance. This is leaf mold, your gardening gold. This transformation is a testament to the natural processes of decomposition and the power of time. Sift through the pile, removing any large pieces of undecomposed material. This step ensures that only the finest, most nutrient-rich compost makes it to your garden beds. The finished product should resemble rich, dark soil, teeming with nutrients and beneficial organisms. This is the lifeblood of your garden, a substance that will invigorate your plants and soil alike. This black gold is ready to work its magic in your garden. With enthusiasm, spread it generously, knowing that you are enriching your garden's ecosystem. Incorporate it into your planting beds, mixing it thoroughly with the existing soil to ensure even distribution of nutrients. Use it as a mulch around trees and shrubs, providing a protective layer that retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Or add it to your potting mix. This will give your potted plants a nutrient boost, helping them to grow stronger and more resilient. The results will speak for themselves. Healthier, more vigorous plants that thrive in the nutrient-rich environment you've created. Your garden will flourish, showcasing the fruits of your labor and the wonders of composting. Section 8. Gardening for the soul, seasonal wellness. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey of connection with nature, a source of tranquility, and a celebration of the changing seasons. As you immerse yourself in the rhythm of the garden, remember to prioritize your well-being. Take breaks to stretch, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the beauty around you. Embrace traditional wellness practices like herbal teas and aromatherapy to enhance your gardening experience. Chamomile tea can soothe tired muscles after a long day of digging, while the invigorating scent of peppermint oil can uplift your spirits. Remember, a healthy garden starts with a healthy gardener. Section 9. A Gardener's Surprise. One autumn day, as I was tending to my compost pile, I stumbled upon an unexpected surprise. A perfectly formed, bright orange pumpkin. It seems a stray pumpkin seed had found its way into the compost, germinated and flourished amidst the decomposing leaves. This delightful discovery served as a gentle reminder that nature is full of surprises, and even in the most unexpected places, life finds a way to thrive. So, embrace the joys of leaf composting, experiment with different techniques, and most importantly, have fun. You never know what wonders you might uncover in your own backyard.